What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be changing the oil in this car, and the old Foz is getting some new wheels. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and hit that subscribe button. All right, let me know what you guys think. We'll get going with the video. Alright, so this is what the car looks like right now with these wheels. It looks pretty good. I honestly want to run these wheels for a long time, but something new came up. I got my water and soapy water so I can clean the brake calipers in this other video that I gotta make. Let's go all around. But these are the wheels right here. Who said stockies don't look good on a car? That's what's about to get put on this car. I gotta somehow get rid of that dent. That dent bugs the fuck out of me. We'll move on over here. So I got a big problem. These don't fit. It fits perfectly, but they don't turn. It's rubbing all the way in there. So disappointed right now. I had to take them off again, leave the other wheels, find some spacers, and I don't know how long that's gonna take because highly disappointed right now. Oh, that's funny. Okay, see it? That one? No, I'm sorry, I told it. Welcome back, guys. This is about 2 or 3 weeks in the future. I had to wait for these because in my car, when I installed the wider wheels, the tires were too wide and were rubbing up against the strut. That was not a good time, but we got these now. Spacers, I believe they are 15 millimeters. I'm not sure. I want to say yes. This is 15, 5, 100. I want to say yes. So they're 5 by 100 by 5/100 bolt size, and I needed that because I had too much thickness in the wheels, and hopefully they fit now. So we're gonna get installing them. This video is gonna be really long, okay? So if you guys don't want to back out right now and don't want to watch this install, go ahead. I don't mind. So we're gonna get going. Alright, so I put out the spacer. Now I'm just worried that these are too in there. There is a little pocket inside the wheel, but I don't know if it's that deep. I'm worried now because this is gonna be annoying if it don't fit. So let me put you guys back here, right there, and let's put the wheel on. I got space. Hope you guys like the wheel choice I made. Definitely gotta get new tires so they can all be even. Front two a little worn. The back two are brand new, but I just want to go maybe a 235 instead of this 245. But yeah, Fitment is amazing. Trying to flush. Trying to flush. Yep. So, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Be safe. And see you guys on the next video. Peace. Bonus clip. I just took the car for a test drive. No scraping, no rubbing. So everything fits perfectly. I believe the tires are just, the front ones are just too worn out to the point where it kind of goes all over the place. So right after I sell my old wheels, I am going to buy new tires, and they're gonna be all 4 brand new, and we're gonna have a good time. So I like the look, I like the handle. I'm sorry for you guys that love the meaty tires, but I'm going 235 45s instead of the 245 40s that I have on here right now. Personal preference, I like a little, it's gonna be a little taller, but pretty much the same overall feel, but they're just gonna be brand new and just a little bit cheaper too on top of that too. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace, for real this time.